Sohail, to be real
No,
life
no, no. For
brothers.
me, you don't have to ask anything. It's a no-brainer. I have Salman Khan, I've got Kabir Khan, so it's a no-brainer
No,
for me
I have to
being a
ask you
part of
this.
this
When the
role.
cameras come on, you real life brothers, but when the cameras come on to play those real life brothers, I mean, does anything change? मतलब वो जो भाई का रोल आप प्ले कर रहे हैं ऑन स्क्रीन जब शूट हो रहा होता है, does anything change from your real life chemistry?
No, nothing. In fact, when people ask me this, I think it comes easier. We just bring our real-life chemistry into real life. And
And that was very important for me because, you know, the thing is that otherwise, if it was another actor, you have to build in the screenplay a lot of scenes to show the love between two brothers. Somehow when you see Sohail and Salman together, it's at one shot and you know, okay, let's proceed from here. You don't need to build it anymore.
So it's like a really emotional film, okay? There's no hard work in this film like in Sultan or in Tiger, running off, jumping off, you know, Kushti, Utha, Patak, all that stuff. But emotionally, this one was really draining because Sohail and me, you know, our brothers, and we're playing brothers here. So every time that something, you know, in the screenplay, you know, twist and turns, jahan pe emotional hota tha, it used to really mess me up. Now, if it was somebody else, me being a very limited performer, I would have had a huge problem. You know, it would look fake, false. So the best thing, yeah, everyone knows that. So.
No, I don't think after this film you'll say that. This is like really.
No, they will say it. They will say it. They will say it. And I'm happy that they say it. I would like the rewards. I don't like the awards. Award function में perform करने के लिए I like that. Award के लिए मत बनाओ भाई. So it became really easy for me, acting wise, because I was not actually acting, but emotionally it was really draining. Even when I was dubbing, it's embarrassing that a grown man, you know, standing there, and you know it's a movie, and you're dubbing there. I mean, chalo, you're acting, your brother's not there. You know, you have this thing that gone to war, whether he's going to come back, not come back, emotion. But when you're dubbing, so you know, you're just, you know, just lip syncing and dubbing that thing. You know, tears coming out. That was really bad.
Okay, so I think now.
And coming from us, it's really bad. So there was a time where my dad and my mom and Bheju Chacha, they came to see me in jail. So my uncle saw me after a very long time. He says, how's it going? This is good, nice one-bedroom suite. You know, it's cool. So my dad smiled. My uncle started crying. So my dad said, यार तुम कैसे पठान हो जाओ यार बाहर जाओ यार.